Hello Vegitaliano friends, welcome back. Today I would like to make a potato balls with spinach filling. Let's see the main ingredients. We have a half kilo of potatoes and 300 grams of spinach, organic obviously, and aromatic salt and turmeric. First of all, I start to boil the potatoes. And now steaming for a spinach. Spinach is cooked and now I cook it. And I put in this pan with the garlic and some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. I put in the spinach. Wow. Do you like? It's okay. And now, just 2 drops of this shoyu. Now I mash the potatoes and add salt and turmeric. So, just half tablespoon of turmeric and a little bit of salt, aromatic salt. And now I would like add some, I think 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour. Now I have to form a dough. I take a little bit of dough to form a little ball. And now I create the space inside for put some spinach here. And now I close this, and if you don't see the receipts, it means that it's not a good practice. Good practice. Sorry for my English. Et voilà. Nice. 1. Admission. Okay. This is breadcrumbs, parsley and flavor salt. And now I put these balls here. And I continue for 6 balls, 7, okay. And now the hand is near. Some extra virgin olive oil, just few drops, ecco. And we start to cook this fantastic bowl. Just 3 minutes for a side, you know. This is the final rush. Wow. It's the first time that I do this. If you don't see this recipe, maybe something goes wrong. Do you like this? Are simple and really good, believe me. So, I hope you enjoyed these recipes. Don't forget a like and subscribe to the channel for new recipes. Bye!